So, hey yo, what's up? My name is Janabit Dirabancos and welcome to our video. So, for today, I'll be showing you the simple as possible computer or SAP1 which has been made on the circuit burst. So, circuit burst has clock, decoder, the C39, C40, C41, C43, CSC3 SAP, then the main function. So, wait, let me clear that. So let me explain first to you. The clock here is what stores the data or sets the value. So, kung ilan yung clicks natin. Here is the decoder. Decoder natin is a simple AND gate na may given value. If you give 1 to this, dapat would run through here and check if it is others are open using the NOT gate. Kasi kailangan iisang functions lang ang gumagana sa ating circuit. Sa C39, sa C40, sa C41 is a AND gates na apat, then same values yung binibigay niya. Then ito yung mga binary or bits na i-output niya sa ating CS. Then here we have C43. Bakit siya na iba? Kasi hanggang 10 lang yung kaya niyang i-output. Then yung CS up natin is here. We have here the decoder. Ito yung value na galing kanina sa ating I7, I6, I5, I4 is the connection pala sa labas. Then the EP is connected here sa NOT gate ng LM1. Connected rin sa labas. Si E1 sa labas rin. Lahat na nandito naka-blue is our input output rather sa labas. Then lahat yan is lahat na nandito naman na isa, like basta lahat ng square may connection siya sa labas. Then here we have the clock. So first of all, ba't pinakita ko kagad yung circuit sa inyo na hindi nyo pa alam kung paano gamitin yan? So here we have the uses. So the program counter is to send memory address to the next instruction to be fetched and executed. Asan yan sa ating design? Here sa taas. So currently we have 000 at yung nakalagay sa instructions, so hold 8. So mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Then input register or memory address sa register is the MAR. So ayun yung 4-bit data address. Then nag-store siya yan. Then random access, which is the wala tayo yan, ROM tayo, read only memory. Pero ayun, 16 by 16 din yung ating ROM, which is tama, 16 by 16 din. Then we have here the instruction register. Instruction register is here. So the instruction register is the one who received the instructions placed on the bus from the RAM, or rather the ROM natin kasi wala tayong RAM. Then controller sequencer. So yung controller yung output ng 12-bit from the siya yung sasend ng signal to the control. Then siya yung nag-output niyan ng 12-bit signal. Then accumulator is 8-bit buffer that stores intermediate answers during the compiler run. So accumulator natin is here A. Then here we have it. This is nag-check ako ng control ng design matrix. So other and subtractor here, I didn't need that because we have signals on our decoder here. So get away from me. Then B register is the buffer register naman. So arithmetic operations yung add subtract natin. Then output register, then yung binary display natin. Yung binary display natin is not here because we used a 7 segment. So nakita ko mga videos, yung SAP nila, yung given values dun is LED. So but here it's probably most easier to use 7 segment. So now we have here instruction set. So load is load data, add is to add memory, subtract is to subtract, output is to load data from the accumulator to the output register. So may pinagkaiba sila. So yung naunang load is from the memory to the accumulator. Then yung output, yung accumulator na to the output register. So then halt is to stop processing. So program counter looks like this. Pero yung program counter natin is actually meron na tayong predefined here. If you search is program count, it's it's on the circuit burst. Magsiset ka lang dyan. Then okay, alam ko yan. That's counter. Then you can decrease or increase the bandwidth of this, and you can also put delay if you want, pero I suggest 0 delay on this because we want to show it in real time. Then here from bus memory register, so ganun din, buffer from bus to RAM. So ayan, buffered tri-state, then to dito, NOT gate. So tri-state to NOT gate ang kanyang connection dyan. Then memory register natin is on top. Next we have here ito memory register, NOT, then buffer, nandok na ako, then 7 segment display. So ito, nakita nyo mga AND gates kanina, yan yung connection yan, kaya dito dalawa lang is because it's the C43. Next is maganda. So ito yung how the clock works. So that's the data. Texas 7 decoder. Then ito yung sample ng system nila. So para yung sa gawa ng sa circuit versus not this, but it's the same actually. If you see this, the output register connected tri-state. So medyo same lang naman. So first of all, click ko to. Wala niyang bakit hindi siya gumagana. Kasi meron tayong value sa clear. So ayan, wala nang value. So for the first is to load the 1, 2. Yan. Makikita niyo meron tayong value sa program counter natin is 1. Sa room natin is 1. Then value is 8. Now we can say that the 8 is loaded. Then 1, 2. Yan, naging 5 naman siya. Pagkatapos mag-load yan is nasa pang-4 na pangatlong state na tayo ng ating room, which is yung nag-give ng value is 5. Then if we click this, mapupunta dapat siya sa accumulator. Ayan, accumulator natin here, which is 5. So sa makikita natin dito, yung value niya is 1, 2 is 0, so hindi. Then 4, which give us to 5. So the MAR store set, or then the instruction says 1 here. Then we 1, 2. Now we're on the load ng 19 sa ating room. 3, 4, 5. Now we have here 11. So we loaded 11. Then as you can see, sa program counter is 1, the MAR natin is 1001, which is nasa pangalawang na tayo, pangalawang load na. Then, we have here the ROM is 001, 001. Same lang siya sa MAR, pero ayun yung nare-read niya na memory. Actually, nga. Next is the instruction register is 001, 001. Control sequencer is also 1 kasi hindi pa nag-full rotate, then hindi pa ulit. Then we have here sa ating accumulator 001, 01. So yung accumulator natin holds a value of the given data. So wala pa tayong subtract, kaya ganyan yung value. So the value here is 1, 2, 4, 8. Then we have, it's just loading, it's a load. Then instruction register is 19. Kasi nasa 19-bit. So loaded it. So we have 8 minus 19 is 11, or we're on the 11-bit. Then next is 1, 2, 3. Yan, nag-2A na, which is the load. So makikita natin accumulator natin is 16, program counter 001, mark natin 001, row natin 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Instruction register is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Controller sequencer is 0, 0, 0, 1. Then yung accumulator natin nagkaroon na ng value. Then B register is 1, 0, 0, 1. Then if we click this again, actually na-load na siya. So instruction register natin is 19, accumulator is A. Then D. Ayan, we proceeded with D minus kasi pangalawang program na hold add pala, subtract na siya. So yung kaninang 11 is add, which is 5 plus 6. Then yung actually it's, wait, let me check ano yung table. So 5 plus 11, then minus 6. So hindi pala kita. Yan, 6. So nag-load na yung 6. Then we will 1, 2, 3. Now we are gonna load it. So yung loading natin is EE. Then after load, that's out, ladder out. Then makikita natin dito sa program low, high, high, same pa rin, 3, 4. So ayan, nagkaroon na tayo ng output ng 10. So the max value of this is FF, which is here, FF10, because of all the bits that you can give here. Ayan yung ating max value. So how did he play it once again? So now nakita na, we have to reset. Then clock time, wait, clock time is circuit ako. is clock enabled. The speed is 100. Wait. Why is it like that? Oh, may 1 na ako sa control. So, ayan. Makikita natin yung process ng ating SAP, which give us the final value. So, pinaka-final value. So, to store that data, nasa ROM natin yun. Then, ayan. If we clear that and do it once again, so it will just perform the same value. So, ganun kabilis yung ating computer sa pag-perform ng mga operations by using this kind of method. So, wait, di ko nakita. Yan, kita. Then you just do that. And then that's all for my video, and see you on the next video.